I have shown you the full headset. This is the some one other thing what we can get from boat headset and the box. Once again, a small video. Thanks. Please support, subscribe, and share. Thank you. I'm sorry, my hands are shaking. I'll take a closer look for you guys. See, it's boat. So yes, it is very soft, as I say, organically soft, full black color. No controls over here. I thought some controls will come here. Here also no controls. A bit percent of disadvantage. I just need to control it from my phone. Okay, I'll just come through with the headphone views, headphone effects, and how does it sounds like. So this is the charger. Okay, and where is the charging plug? So there goes the charging pin, and that is jack 3.55 jack. I don't know what is the use for it. So I'll just try to open this once again. So this is the charger pin. So what is this? Maybe you can connect to phone even if it's not Bluetooth. I can't connect it because my OnePlus is like different adapter. I need to buy adapter for it. So I'll check it on later that. So this is the various items what boat is giving for us. So that I will show you later. It is showing many things. Speakers, inbuilt headsets, AirPods. Okay. Thank you once again. Please share, support, subscribe.